Hey there YouTube, Darrell Hammond here. DarrellHammond.com is my website. You can go there and check it out, but not right now. We're going to talk about Pinterest today. Yeah, I'm sure you've probably heard about Pinterest. So it's kind of an unsung hero in the marketing industry as far as being able to get some quality traffic to your offers. And so what I'm presenting today is a new product that's going to show you how you can take advantage of Pinterest and all the massive amounts of traffic that platform gets and send it to your offers and make some money. So are you interested? So stick around and check out Profit Rocket. Alright, so here we are on my bonus page, and we are talking about a new product called Profit Rocket. So this is a launch by Johnny Rose. It's going to start tomorrow on 12/3, and you're going to want to jump on this product and learn all about Pinterest. So Pinterest is pretty cool. Like I said, we're on my bonus page, and the link to that bonus page is down in the description below. If you click on it, it's going to take you to this page, and then you can click on these big yellow buttons. It'll take you to the sales page, which we'll check out here in a second. But right now, I kind of wanted to talk about Pinterest real fast. We're on a statistics page for Pinterest, and there are a bunch of cool facts that you may not know about. So it's the fastest standalone site in history to reach 10 million unique users in 2012. And so it's continually growing as well and gaining popularity and getting a lot more traffic. So there are 320 million monthly active users. So that is crazy. And so it's growing rapidly. Pinterest has gained around 51 million international monthly users in 2019 compared to the 5 million in the United States. So that means it's growing even faster in areas other than the United States. Women are the primary users of Pinterest, but a lot of men are using Pinterest more and more now. But let's talk about the women real fast. 71% of the global Pinterest users are female, but that same group, Pinterest reaches 83% of women ages 25 to 54, and now that group makes up 80% of the buying decision in U.S. households. So who else would you want taking a look at your offers than the people who have that buying decision power? And so as I was saying earlier, 40% of U.S. dads now use Pinterest. 20% of the users are male. 40% of dads use Pinterest, and they use it for research, to shop, and to plan for fatherhood. 82% say they find new products on this platform. So that's a lot of great traffic to your offers, especially if they're male oriented. You can throw it out there and get a lot of traffic. So you got 52% millennials use Pinterest every month. So here's a pretty interesting statistic. The average time spent on Pinterest is 14.2 minutes. Pinterest statistics suggest that the amount of time you have to capture your customers' attention is growing. And that is because they're spending more time on Pinterest. Here's another one. 78% of users say content from brands is useful, including ads. So a lot of people are spending a lot of time shopping for stuff on Pinterest. So those are some interesting facts about Pinterest, and the fact that it's a big growing social media platform is a good reason why you want to take a look at this product. This product is called Profit Rocket. Stop spinning your wheels trying to figure out what works. They're going to show you how to get massive results and make up to $141 every day. Those results will vary, of course, with time and effort that you put into this. On Autopilot, it's as easy as copy and paste method. You're going to be able to harness the organic power of their secret source, and we've already kind of given that away. That secret source is Pinterest. And so this is the sales page. So if you click on the link below in the description, that'll take you to my bonus page, and the big yellow buttons on that bonus page are going to take you to this sales page. This is the sales page where they present their case for why you should buy this product called Profit Rocket. and I've gone through it. It's an interesting product. It's got a lot of great material, lots of juicy golden nuggets in there that you can utilize to increase your bottom line. And there's also a lot of great bonuses that are available in there, and we'll get to the bonuses here in a little bit. But as you can see, they go over all the information about the product. They give you some proof of income and some other things. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on over inside the dashboard and see what you're going to get for your little investment. And we'll go over the pricing funnel here in a second, but for right now, let's see what you're going to get. So this is the dashboard of Profit Rocket. And as you can see, it's your basic over-the-shoulder training setup. You got your introduction video. You've got the main section of the training, which is about an hour's worth of videos, and they're short little videos, so they're just nice little bite-sized units that don't take a whole lot of time to watch. You can watch a video, go do your thing and set those things up on Pinterest, come back, watch the next step, and so on and so forth, and you can just do it step by step. The nice thing about this, and some of the best information, is probably at the bottom that I found in the very last video, and that would be the conclusion of Pinterest training, and then also creating the Pinterest sponsored Pinterest post. Those two I found probably had the best details in there. The next thing that's nice about this product is this section here, making money with Pinterest, these case studies. And so what you have are 5 different marketers who show you how they use Pinterest to make money. And so you can take that information, and it's nice because they're taking this, basically this training, and showing you how they implement it in their business to create more revenue. And so you'll get an introduction here about the case studies, and then here, these are the 5 different case studies. And so you get to watch these marketers use Pinterest. They show you their tips and tricks on how they use it to generate more income. And then the other nice thing about this product is you're getting a lot of bonuses, and these are the bonuses on the sales page. $4,985 worth of free bonuses, and that's not counting the bonuses I have lined up for you on my bonus page. So you're going to get bonus number 1 is Master Facebook Ads, bonus number 2 is Master Bing Ads, bonus number 3 is Master Google AdWords. Bonus number 4 is Solo Ads Mastery. And then bonus 5 is Instagram Mastery. And so these are all techniques on how you can generate even more traffic via other social media platforms and get them either over to Pinterest to grow that following, or you can actually just send them to the offers that you have to show them. Inside the dashboard, this is where you will find all those bonus trainings. So you're getting a lot of training here for a small amount of money. You're getting all these bonus traffic trainings, plus you're getting all the useful information about how to use Pinterest to drive traffic to your offers off this organic and fast growing social media platform. So let's go ahead and jump back over here to the bonus page. We're going to go over the pricing funnel here in a second, and then we'll jump into the bonuses. So basically, Profit Rocket will teach you how to harness the organic power of Pinterest to make thousands of dollars a month. No mailing list, no social media experience or product development is necessary. This product contains an hour of over-the-shoulder training and 5 video case studies from leading internet marketers who have made up to 5 figures in the past month with Pinterest. So let's go over the pricing funnel real fast. The front end offer is $9.45, and you'll also get a discount if you act like you're going to close out of the window. This is going to pop up. It's going to give you a coupon code that you can use at checkout to get another 10% off, and this is a one-time offer, so make sure you take advantage of that. Well, let's check out the rest of the pricing funnel. So that initial front end offer gives you the over-the-shoulder training plus the 5 video case studies. Upsell number 1 is Profit Rocket Pro. It's $27. There's a $17 downsell. This is an upgraded video course that contains over-the-shoulder teachings that will bring your business to the next level. It shows you another platform with zero competition and how you can start reaching buyers in any niche you want. Upsell number 2 is $47. There's a downsell of $27, You're going to get 6,000 plus Pinterest templates, motivational, inspirational quotes, make money online, entrepreneurs, business, etc. All completely done for you. All you have to do is copy and paste them into your Pinterest account and create that pin, and then just link your offer to it, and it's all pretty much done for you. Upsell number 3 is Profit Rocket Resell Rights. That's $97. You're going to get that for $67 on the downsell. You're going to get to keep the profits when you resell Profit Rocket to friends, family, and email list or a social media audience. You're going to get those resell rights, and Johnny will bump up your commissions throughout the entire sales funnel. Upsell number 4 is the final upsell. It's Profit Rocket Coaching, $77. You're going to get an hour of one-to-one coaching, conversation, and collaboration where buyers can get your questions answered by Johnny himself. He'll discuss any stumbling blocks that you may be encountering, and you can just ask about anything related to internet marketing, and he will provide you with that one-on-one coaching. All right, so that was the pricing funnel. Let's go ahead and jump on down, take a look at the bonuses that I have to offer for you today. When you take advantage of this offer, click on the link on this bonus page. The link again to the bonus page is down in the description below. Click on it, go to this bonus page, and then click on the sales buttons or the click here to secure your copy and bonuses buttons. That'll take you to the sales page where you can pick your copy up, and when you do, you're going to get these bonuses from me. And so you can also, you see John O. Armstrong's name on some of these bonuses. These are a done-for-you campaign that he provides members of the Ministry of Freedom group. I am a member of that group, so these bonuses were provided to me to be able to offer to you when you purchase via any of my links. So bonus number 1 is Get Mobile E and Launchjacker. And so you're going to get both of these training courses as bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is Explode Your YouTube Channel, and that's another venue that you can get a lot of raw organic traffic to be able to get attention to your offers. Bonus number 3 is email marketing. Learn how to do it properly with this bonus. Learn how to do proper email marketing. Bonus number 4 is license rights to Insurgency. So you're going to get license rights to the Insurgency product that Jono launched earlier this year. And then I've thrown in a couple of extra bonuses, and these are related to Pinterest. You're going to get an ebook called Pinterest Profits, that one. And then the next one is the Pinterest Profit System. So you're going to get a lot of useful information about the platform, the social media platform called Pinterest. So you can start generating commissions using that organic traffic. And of course, you can also put paid ads on Pinterest and get your offer in front of a lot of people. And then bonus number 7 are the special vendor bonuses. So there you go. You're going to get bonus number 1, Get Mobile E and Launchjacker. You're going to get bonus number 2, Explode Your YouTube Channel. You're going to get bonus number 3, Learn how to do proper email marketing. Bonus number 4, License rights to Insurgency. Bonus number 5 is Pinterest Profits. Bonus number 6, Pinterest Profit System, and all the vendor bonuses that you're going to get from the vendor. So there you go. My name's Darrell Hammond once again. I have a website, darrellhammond.com is where you'll find it. And you can go there, check it out. So go ahead and take advantage of this great offer. Pick this product up, learn about Pinterest, and learn how to get a bunch of that traffic to your offers. You can do a lot of stuff with Pinterest, and it's pretty easy to learn. And this product is going to teach you everything you need to know. I appreciate you stopping by, taking a gander at this video. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, ring that notification bell. You'll get notified of any more content that I put up on my YouTube channel. Click like, leave a comment below, let me know what you thought. You guys have a wonderful day, and that's it, man. I'll see ya.